may stretch your palms, your shoulders. Look like you are swimming backwards. Okay, in, out. You may stand by one leg and relax your fingers, your toes, your legs, your hands. In, one leg. You keep your own balance. Out. Relax the body. Be mindful with your movement. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Stand by the toes. Out. Breathe in. Out. You bend your knees a little bit. One hand touch your shoulder. Another hand touch your lower back. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. You may stretch your palms, your shoulders. Look like you are swimming backwards. Okay, in. Out. Bend your two knees. In. Out. Relax your palms, shoulders. That's so wonderful. You may stand by one leg and relax your fingers, your toes, your legs, your hands. Reverse. Today is the weather in the morning, so beautiful. Enjoy the birds singing, the sunshine. Another leg. Breathe in. Out. Reverse. That's so wonderful. You may open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body. You may relax whole body. Put your two palms in front of your lower abdomen. Feel your two legs. Feel your feet connected to the earth. And you may smile to yourself. Next movement you call the crane, okay? Breathe in, two hands up and your left leg up, okay? And breathe out, you open your palms, stretch your palms and stretch your left leg at the same time, okay? To raise up your energy of freedom and stretch your body, okay? In, right leg. You keep your own balance. Out. Relax the body, be mindful with your movement. And then you keep your own balance. In. Ah, it's so wonderful to stand by one leg. You feel that you can do it. And you feel so happy. In. Ah. Relax your palms, shoulders. In. Ah. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. One more time for the right leg. In. Out. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale. Slow. Relax the body. Release tensions, stress from the body. Allow yourself to rest. Allow yourself to breathe in and out with the energy of love and peace. One hand on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. Maybe you can massage your lower abdomen with the clockwise direction. Breathe in, out. You press your lower abdomen a little bit. Help yourself to circulate the blood energy from the lower abdomen. Keep your stomach healthy. And massage the two palms together. And then side by side. The other hand. And then you can put your two palms on your face, massage your face, breathe in. Refresh yourself, allow yourself to release tension from your face. Then you can massage your lower back and your legs. Breathe in, out, go down to your legs and go to front. So you can do 3-4 rounds like that. That's so wonderful. Then you can massage the two arms. To have your arms and get your arms healthy, but at the same time to make your heart, your lungs healthy. The other hand. One more time. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Stand by the toes. Out. Okay, release tensions and let it go the whole stress and anxiety from the body. Inhale. In. Open your palm. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body.